In this video tutorial, we're going to discuss another example of finding the probability of simple events. So here we have a spinner, and we need to determine the probability of the outcome. And what we want is the probability of spinning the spinner, but not getting an even number. That probability will be expressed as a fraction and a percentage, and then we will discuss the likelihood. So to say a number is not even is the same thing as just saying odd numbers. So we have to think about the probability of the number of odd numbers divided by the number of total outcomes there are. So carefully look at the spinner. I've already identified in the spinner which numbers are odd. That would be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For a total of 5 odd number outcomes. And the total number of outcomes that we have is 10. Once you reduce that fraction to 1/2, convert it to a decimal, it ends up being 0.5 multiplied by 100 to get a percent, it's 50%, which is associated as equally likely as the likelihood to occur.